You searched for how to buy shares of Avantor Inc. Avantor is a global provider of materials and services for life sciences and advanced technologies, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AVTR, and this video is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you typically must verify your account with an ID and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker AVTR to find Avantor Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed entry that matches the company name. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and AVTR ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens. If there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After the trade, your Avantor position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.